daily work in the wastewater treatment plant.
今天的活动内容可能有一些感觉非常的简单，但是我们有把一些专业的领域的一些字更
To simplify the professional knowledge to a simple way that for everybody to understand in the activity today.
然后这个就是我们那个日常的一个展现。
This is the daily life in a wastewater treatment plant.
那希望通过我们今天的一些活动的展示，可以让各位学员有很大的一个收获。
We wish that through the activity today can make everybody to understand more for wastewater treatment plant.
好，谢谢我们王伟修厂长的致辞。那接下来我们邀请基金会代表致辞陈永仁教授。
Good morning, everybody. All my friends from all over the world. Good morning.
Good morning.
And all colleagues from Nanjing Water Technology Corporation. I'm Yang Chen, Associate Professor of University of Taipei, and I am also the former Deputy Mayor of Taipei City Government and the former Secretary General of Central EPA. On behalf of the CTCI Education Foundation Committee and the President, Ambassador Chen Youxin, I would like to thank Nanjing Water Technology Corporation give us this very good opportunity to visit Fengshan Water Resource Center. I also express my sincere congratulations to all of participants from different universities to have good opportunity to visit high technology water recycle and reuse center in southern part of Taiwan. Because of pandemic of COVID, we cannot on-site visiting. However, thanks to CTCI Education Foundation Working Group, we can enjoy the same quality of visiting.
Remind me to
Thank you
check the
for
post if I
CTCI
can
Education
report
and
the
Nanjing
Facebook.
Water Technology Corporation. The Fengshan watershed area used to be a highly polluted area from 1990s. Water quality in this area was not good for drinking, even for industry purpose. Thanks to CTCI, Hunding, Xinda Corporation invest water treatment technology to build this center. Today, Nanjing Water Corporation supply 45,000 CMD recycled water for Kaohsiung Linhai Industry Park. This decreases the water scale tension in Kaohsiung area. So this is very good opportunity for all us to see how Taiwan doing the industrial and country sustainable development. Hope all of you enjoy today's visit. Thank you for coming.
好，接下来由我们的王伟修厂长介绍我们的中心历程。
各位学员大家好，那接下来的话就由我们这边来针对我们实践中心成立的一个过程，来跟各位大家做一下简介。
Next, we are going to have a brief introduction of Fengshan Water Resource Center and the history of this center.
首先，今天的一个成立的话，它主要就是有一个契机，是在大概在前几年的时候，我们 台湾政府有感于就是水资源即将在120年的时候有一个用水的匮乏。
The start of this center is because we are going to have a water shortage in a very soon future. So we going to set up this center for recycle of the wastewater.
The speaker is speaking English
就考
well.
量到说，我们国内有一部分的水就是我们的一
He
个半
was
流水。
speaking English
So we
to
are
us.
considering that actually we have the
not this
wastewater effluent would be used as a water source.
那大家就想说，这股放流水如果能够拿来再利用的话，可能对于国内的一个旱象解读是有那个一些帮助的。
So if we are thinking that if we can recycle this wastewater, it could be very helpful to solve the water shortage problem in southern Taiwan.
有鉴于此，所以我们就是政府
Him.
把它列为国家的一个重大前瞻建设。
So the government in Taiwan just put this project as a very important project in Taiwan.
对。所以这个计划的话，就在102年的时候开始启动，在2013年的时候开始启动。
So this project started from 2013.
那我们先经由所谓的一个前期评估，确定可行。
Where's
At the
your
beginning,
phone?
we have an evaluation for the feasibility of this wastewater recycle.
可行之后，接下来就进行相关的一个说明会跟检测厂商讨论。
After the evaluation, we start the setting up and also we try to cooperate with the industry.
最后终于在105年的时候开始动工，将凤山溪污水处理厂改制成为现在的中心。
So in 2016, we start to remodel the wastewater treatment plant to a reclamation water center.
中心的一个正式营的话是在2018年的8月13号。
So this center started to supply the reclamation water in 2018.
我们在当时每天可以供应25000吨的水给临海工业区去做使用。
So after we start the center, it can supply 2,500 cubic meter per day to the industry park.
在经过1年的扩建之后，我们将整个产量提升到45000吨的一个供水量。
But you have to move.
After 1 year operation, the water supply increased to 4,500 cubic meter per day.
那通过这样子的一个正式营运，带动了整个台湾的再生水产业的一个发展。
So because of this center, we improve the recycled water industry in Taiwan.
那这个计划的一个设立，主要是由中鼎工程跟新南环保联合承揽。
So this project is cooperated by HDEC and CTCI.
那通过这样子的一个合作模式，成立了我们南基水科技股份有限公司，来执行相关的一个再生水供应的计划。
So we start up a new company, which is a Blue Whale company, to improve this project.
那这个计划的一个再生水的一个采水水质，它的一个水价跟它的一个水质都比新加坡的 New Water 的一个水质跟水价还要来的优良。
The refined water produced from this center, the quality and the water price are all better than that of new water from Singapore.
Quality
那这个案子的
well.
话，除了再生水的一个供应之外，另外还将我们老旧的一个污水处理厂进行再生的一个优化，
So this center not only improve the
biogas
refined water
and
production, but also remodel the original wastewater treatment units.
同时在新建一条就是供应到临海工业区将近7.多公里的一个输入配水管线。
We also improve water supply pipe to the industry park about 7 kilometers.
那接下来的话，我将进行整个处理流程的一个解说。
We are going to introduce how the wastewater be treated.
我们中心的前镇就是污水处理厂目前收受整个凤山地区的一个生活污水到厂内来做处理。
So this center collects all the domestic wastewater from the Fengshan area to this plant to be treated.
那目前下水道管线的一个新建已经达到50%以上，全部新建预计在2038年完成。
Now the collection is about 50%, and we are going to collect all the domestic wastewater at 2038.
那整个的一个处理流程的话，都是
How many percentages?
的放流水法规。
50.
So all the treatment results are meet with the excellent standard in Taiwan.
那在污水处理流程的话，我们主要就是靠着我们的一个生物处理单元来分解水中的一些有机物质跟含氮物质。
The treatment process are mainly rely on a biological treatment process to remove the organic compounds and nitrogen-related compounds in the wastewater.
那另外，透过一连串的污泥处理系统，可以将污泥达到减量跟脱水的一个效果。
And we also have a sludge treatment process to reduce the amount of the sludge produced during the wastewater treatment process.
那接下来的话，进行再生水流程的一个说明。
Next, we are going to introduce the reclaimed water treatment process.
那整个的一个再生水供应的话，主要有8大侧向的一个管制。
The water quality standard of the reclaimed water are include 8 items.
那处理的一个核心的话，主要分成沙滤系统、UF 系统跟 RO 系统。
You can research
The
about
treatment process are mainly
Mm.
include rapid filtration and UF filtration and RO treatment units.
那透过不同单元的一个去除对象，达到我们所要的一个再生水水质。
So each unit can remove different contaminations. So after a series of treatment, the reclaimed water can meet the reclaimed water standard.
那中心除了供应再生水跟处理污水之外，其实我们还有其他的一些工作在进行。
And there are other works are included in the daily work of the this center.
我们每天还会将我们的放流水补助到上游的湿地公园。
the guy ER Chen is
Also inject
who is
the
he
effluent to the
from
pollutant
the company
in
too.
the upstream to reclaim the groundwater.
这个工程的一个成效良好，所以我们总共分了2阶段来执行。
Because the result is really good, so we include the second stage of this project.
第一阶段的话，我们每天可以供应5000吨的放流水给湿地做水源补助使用。
In the first stage, we can provide 5,000 cubic meter per day to the wetland.
第二阶段的话，我们又再扩充15000吨的水源补助。
In the second stage, we increased another 15,000 cubic meter clean water to the wetland.
通过这样子的一个补助，我们可以达到第一个是溪流净化，
Through this wetland water reclaim, we can help for the river water to purify the water quality of the river water.
第二个的话，我们可以打造我们的一个生态环境多
And
元化。
And second, we can help to increase the diversity of the biological environment of the wetland.
第三个是我们可以将湿地的一个水源活化。
The third contribution is that we can activate the wetland reuse.
最后一个最重要的是，我们可以将我们的一个古迹再造，将古迹的一个活力再现。
The final one is that we can let the original, the old agriculture to reuse and also reactivate it.
那中心的话，另外我们还有成立所谓的水科技教育馆。
In addition, we also set up an education center for water treatment.
这个是一个绿建筑引起标章的一个场馆。
This building also attends the green agricultural standard.
也是原本我们今天活动要举办的一个场所。
Which is originally we are going to have the activity today.
今天虽然学员没有办法到现场来，但是以后如果有机会的话，欢迎你们都可以来我们场馆去做体验。
It's really pity that you cannot come on site today, but we are really welcome you to visit here in the soon future.
我们场馆的话可以提供水资源相关知识，还有一些游戏，可以做中学来体验所谓的水资源保育的一个相关知识。
In the center, we provide some knowledge of the water resource management, and also we design some games that you can learn and also try to experience the water resource treatment knowledge in the activity.
最后，我们中心目前的话就是以污水处理厂、再生水处理厂，还有湿地公园跟水科技教育馆，作为我们一个完善的一个环境教育园区。
So this center is used as environmental education park, including water treatment, wastewater treatment, reclaimed water treatment, and also the wetland introduced and the environmental education center.
Do you think
通
you
过这样子的一个污水处理设施跟中水处理设施，那我们可以完整的传达所谓的一个再生水有序经营的一个概念。
We try to provide us water sustainable reuse knowledge and the idea to the public through the water treatment and reclaimed water treatment and also the wetland management.
那我们的中心不再只有硬体的一个设施，而是有更多的一个精神意念的一个传达。
So this center is not just a hard work for the water and wastewater treatment, but also we try to deliver education and also a sustainable idea to the public.
我的简报到此，谢谢各位。
It's all that we introduced today. Thank you, everybody.
最后再补充一下，就是我们中心设立的过程，已经有效的克服在那个109年跟110年的一个旱象的一个
Finally, we want to emphasize that because of this center, we solved the water shortage issue in 2020 and 2021.
Sandwich.
显见这已经是
And they solved it, right?
外面台湾的一个水情况下
But they solved the problem.
带来一个充沛的水源。
The result shows that this center can really produce a stable water resource to the industry in southern Taiwan.
也带动了后续的其他再生水厂的一个新建，跟整个再生水产业的一个
Yeah,
发
it's
展。
have a water
So this
shortage.
center is used as a model of the wastewater reuse. So because of this example, Taiwan government is going to establish more wastewater treatment center in other locations of Taiwan.
再次谢谢各位的聆听，谢谢。
Thank you.
好，接下来我们欣赏我们的影片。
Q&A. No one asked
Next,
questions.
we are going to play
You'll see it's
a
like-
video of the
No time to
wastewater
Someone has-
reclamation.
just now.
Everyone was.
I thought I did done that.
Water is an absolute necessity to human survival.
Okay,
The
start
development
question.
of water resources
Open-
is
you
essential
can
to
open
improve
the
our
chat.
quality of life and promote socio-economic progress. Taiwan's water resources are chiefly derived from rainfall. Although Taiwan enjoys abundant rainfall, due to its geography and climate, rainfall tends to occur primarily in the summertime. And the amount of rainfall is unevenly distributed from north to south.
It will take
In
how long the
addition,
treatment will
most of
take.
Taiwan's land
No,
area
they don't
consists of
mention
high
like just ask
mountains
them like
and
how
short, steep rivers flowing out of
how
these
long the
mountains
treatment
quickly
will take
transport
to treatment the
rainfall to the
water,
sea,
and do they
preventing its
add
retention.
some chemical
And because of Taiwan's weak
in the
geological
water to make it
foundation,
water to
reservoirs
have the
fill up
standard
rapidly.
for
It
the
should
reducing
be
their water
standard. It should be
capacity.
meet the
As a
standards to
result,
be
reservoirs
drinking.
cannot
So
Yeah.
allocate
even
Taiwan's
chemical, but it's in
unpredictable water
standard.
supply,
yeah.
which has made
Yeah.
water shortages a constant threat in Taiwan.
Just
Second
want to make
question.
it.
Second question. Kimi goes.
Yeah, just asking about the
Kaohsiung
chemical.
derives
It
most
has
of
to
its
be meet
water from the
standards to
Kaohsiung
be
River Dam.
reclaimed
But because
out.
the Kaohsiung River's water
Cannot
quality and volume
be
are unstable throughout the
dangerous.
year, Kaohsiung lacks any large
Because
reservoirs able to
different-
regulate the water
Every
supply.
people has the
And there have been
different
increasingly large differences in
chronologies,
rainfall
but-
between the rainy and dry seasons.
right.
It has been very difficult to allocate water resources during the dry season. It is projected that Kaohsiung will require
Say to
Just
him
add these
how
two-
they
the
can
two
manage the
questions.
chemical with the
Yeah.
different
in the
body
year
biology.
2031,
Yeah.
posing a
And
high risk
I
of
mean
water
the
shortages.
chemical like
Huh?
the chemical if they add some chemical
Yeah,
in the
I got
water,
In
it's
order to
like
solve its
has the
growing water
effect in the
resource
different
problems,
body
the Kaohsiung City
because everyone
government
has the
has been
different
promoting the
like
diversified
chronologies.
water resource development
That's right.
program,
Kind of
including the
like
establishment of
you
flood
decided
detention
I
pools
decided
used for flood
what I
regulation
meant.
and the injection of groundwater to replenish water reserves. In addition, the government has been promoting water conservation and the wastewater reclamation and reuse program for industrial parks, providing incentives for the establishment of rainwater recycling facilities, and intensifying the replacement of tap water pipes and leak reduction work to reduce the problem of leakage.
This is the same as like
Most
come to
importantly,
Taiwan, you
in
have
order
a
to
skin problem
ensure a
because maybe
sustainable
water,
water
right?
supply and achieve a
No, no, I have
circular
very
economy,
long time already.
Kaohsiung began constructing the Fengshan Creek Water Reclamation Plan in December 2016, which is expected to be completed in 2018.
Assumption.
There
For
is
used
an
water, sewage will
No,
flow
wait,
from
wait, wait.
households to sewage
just
treatment
the last one.
plants, where it will be
Last one.
processed into effluent after undergoing tertiary sewage treatment processes. If extra processing steps are applied,
the
it is
last one.
possible to purify discharged effluent into water that is suitable for reuse. This reclaimed water can
Yeah.
increase the city's usable water supply.
Yeah.
They explain the
Uh,
process.
The Kaohsiung Creek Water Reclamation Plant is Taiwan's first demonstration of this type of plant. Its primary processing units include raw water tanks, sand filters, an ultrafiltration system, reverse osmosis system, and reclaimed water tanks. The reclaimed water is expected to provide 1/4 of the Linhai Industrial Park's daily water supply. The use of reclaimed water can greatly increase the flexibility of water allocation in Kaohsiung and encourage the development of the domestic reclaimed water industry. The plant also contains a water technology education center with a whale motif. Together with the adjacent Baoan wetland and a
Water for people in
Park River corridor, the education center will form Taiwan's first education and recreation park, occupying over 10 hectares, with the theme of water resources and water reclamation, with functions including environmental protection, scenic beauty, ecological education, and leisurely recreation. The park will ensure people have a chance to learn about our precious water resources. The Fengshan Creek Water Reclamation Plant will mark the beginning of a green cyclic economy in Kaohsiung and will be a key step in the area's industrial transformation.
Agriculture
In this time of extreme climate swings and
But they
frequent
say
droughts,
the water
the
is
use
standard
of
in
reclaimed
Taiwan,
water
so maybe it's
presents
not
an
standard in
effective
other
way of
countries.
quenching
They
Taiwan's
mention about
thirst.
What?
the water they drink and they use for everything is standard in Taiwan, but maybe not.
No, to help others. This is to help other countries solve it.
Oh yeah. You can say that.
Yes.
那接下来我们休息5分钟的时间。那这5分钟的时间，如果同学在这个过程中有什么问题的话，可以先留言。那后续我们那个 Q&A 的地方就可以提问。好，那我休息到先几点？
Oh, Q&A
休息到
already?
40分，
break,
再回来。谢谢。
your breakfast there.
Yeah.
See, finish the breakfast.
I finished.
I will find another question.
Message, so we will answer all the questions in the Q&A time.
Semiconductor industry use a lot of water.
What?
Semiconductor industry.
Yeah, they need five it.
What is the You're so warm. I mean,
Cold. You have cold blood.
yeah. So what?
Cold.
They mentioned they work with.
Said, you know what? Sorry. Continue.
They mentioned they work with one university to make the research, but I forgot. Did you listen to them when they mentioned the university? They mentioned the university they work together